Hey everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Google Pixel 6 camera review after 3.5 years. I am already making this smartphone long time for review. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. Pixel 6 come with a dual camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 8 megapixel single selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 4K 60 fps video and you also record 1080p 30 60 120 fps and 240 fps slow-mo video with EIS and OIS. Now I am recording 4K 60 fps video and the video quality is too good. Now talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a great pictures, all the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness pretty good. Google Pixel 6 very famous for its photography. The smartphone camera quality is too good. And as you can see that we are taking a great pictures. Now let's talk about 12 megapixel ultra wide picture quality. Ultra wide picture quality also very good. Is look like has main camera. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness so good. Overall you can get a balanced pictures. Now let's talk about portrait pictures. Portrait mode you can get a two option 1x and 2x. Portrait picture quality also very good. We are taking a great portrait with Google Pixel 6. Overall the picture quality is so good. Now talk about the night photography. Night photography experience also very good. And Google are very famous for night mode. If you have good lighting condition, you can take a great pictures. And as you can see that we are taking a good pictures. All the image color correction and sharpness is so good. Overall, after 3.5 years, Google Pixel 6 still give you great pictures. Okay, that's pretty much for our long time camera review. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.